Welcome. How do we do a retrospective when teams are working from home? That's our topic for today. But first, thanks again for subscribing. If you haven't, please subscribe down below. Thank you also for the awesome feedback I received from last video about the 2 covers, remember? Well, the book is out and I really need your help. The book is called How I Lost 17 Pounds During COVID-19, and you can too, and it's on Amazon. So if you could review the book, I love you for that. Today, about retrospectives. If you remember, December of 2019, before all this COVID-19 all started, I talked about retrospectives. This time I want to talk about a remote retrospective that has a facilitator in front of a board where everybody else are on Zoom or in a WebEx or any other virtual tool. Now, the first thing, if you remember from last time, have everyone open their mics and unmute. And we're looking at a team of about 6 to 8 that are speaking, and it's a 20-minute exercise. So the important thing here is for the facilitator to be in front of a physical wall or board or a physical visualization that is not online, because this gets the creative juices flowing if someone actually works on a physical board. This is a weekly retrospective that you're doing with your team. And I talk about retrospectives a lot. I actually hashtag on YouTube and on Twitter Soakability. So if you want retrospective ideas, there are probably like 20 or 30 of those. Just search for that hashtag, LinkedIn, Twitter, and YouTube as well. So my retrospective is what went well, what are we going to do differently, and key learnings. In times of high VOCA, look it up. I talked about VOCA before. In times of high VOCA, you want more feedback from your teams. You want more inspect and adapt, because the more you get into inspect and adapt, the faster the feedback and the faster the response can be. So team are sitting online, one person in front of this wall grabbing a Sharpie, and he just acts as a scribe and a facilitator to what went well in the last week, what are we going to do differently, and any key learnings that we have. These are my 3 topics. There are many others. Mike Cohn talks about to start, to stop, and continue. There is the run away from the Ireland perspective, and they're all good. They're all great. What I do suggest is that someone actually works on a virtual board. It increases the innovation, creativity, increases the interaction. Try it out. I promise it's going to be much different than someone just opening a spreadsheet and people typing in. So this is my tip for you for today, a retrospective that is done with a facilitator, scrum master, product owner, project manager, or just a team lead and a team lead, or maybe it's an executive with an executive team. These all work very well. Again, I'll ask you to look up my book. If you can add a review on Amazon, that'll be awesome. I'm Michael Neer. This is my channel. If you haven't subscribed, I'll see you next time. Thank you.